This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, TV, awning, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, skylight, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,552 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.